Hey guys, wagwan wagwan, it's your girl Shanice and I'm so happy to welcome you guys back to Jamaican Cuisine. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with a very delicious recipe for you guys. If you're new, welcome, and thank you so much for watching. As you guys can see in this video, I will show you how to make this delicious and easy chicken parmesan. So let's get right into this video. So here I have some chicken breasts that were already cleaned and washed. I have 2 cups of plain panko breadcrumbs. Any brand will work. I have 3 eggs beaten and some fresh chopped parsley. So we're gonna go ahead and season our egg batter. You can also season your chicken directly if you prefer. I went in with a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and we're also gonna add a teaspoon of fresh parsley. You can always adjust the seasonings based on your taste. We're also gonna go ahead and season our panko breadcrumbs. Let's go ahead and mix that in first. So we're gonna ensure that we have flavor everywhere. So to our panko breadcrumbs, we're gonna add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme. You can use fresh thyme if you have that. And I'm also gonna add a pack of Sazon to that, along with 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. We're gonna mix that up really well so everything is incorporated really good. And we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken breast to our egg batter, and we're gonna let it marinate for like 15 to 20 minutes. Put it in the refrigerator, or you can go ahead and make yours right away. Okay guys, let's fry some chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and coat our chicken breast in our breadcrumbs mixture. You want to make sure that every piece of chicken breast is covered, but you also want to shake the excess off before frying. And we're gonna go ahead and shallow fry these chicken pieces for like 4 minutes each side until they're golden brown. And as usual guys, I'll have a list of all the ingredients I use down below in the description. So I added around 2 to 3 teaspoons of grape-seed oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and start frying these chicken. You want to make sure that the oil is very hot before you start frying your chicken. And I will be doing 2 batches of chicken breast because I don't want to overcrowd my pan. Then it's gonna start steaming the chicken, so you can always do 2 batches. So I started turning my chicken after 3 to 4 minutes. Some pieces are thicker than some pieces, so it really depends on how thick your chicken breasts are. And guys, just a quick reminder, remember that we're gonna put it in the oven for a little bit once we add the cheese to it. So you really don't want to overcook your chicken breast. We don't want dried out chicken breast. It's got to be juicy, all right? Okay guys, to the same pan that we were frying the chicken in, we're gonna go ahead and add around a tablespoon of pureed garlic, and I'd say that's around 5 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna allow it to sit and allow the flavors to release from the garlic. And then we're gonna add our tomato sauce. You can use whichever brand you prefer. I'm using tomato and basil, and we're gonna season this a little bit. So to our sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add around a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, around a teaspoon of black garlic powder. Regular garlic powder will do. I'm also gonna add around a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And guys, you can always adjust the seasonings to your taste. And we're gonna mix that all in and just allow it to simmer on low flame. So after around 5 minutes of simmering, I turned my flame off. I added my chicken pieces to a baking tray, and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 175 degrees Celsius. And I'm just adding a spoonful of the sauce to the chicken, just enough to cover the top. And then we're gonna go in with our fresh mozzarella. You can use provolone cheese if you prefer, but I'm going with my fresh mozz. And as you guys can see, I'm using 1 or 2 slices of cheese. The amount of cheese you're gonna use will definitely depend on the size of your chicken breast, so feel free to adjust. Okay guys, so after that we're gonna add some of our grated Parmesan right on top. We're just gonna sit it on top, and this is for additional flavor. And we're also gonna follow that up with some of our freshly chopped parsley. This is gonna be good for garnishing and for additional flavor. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for around 5 minutes, and this is why I wasn't worried about cooking them fully through in the beginning, because they're definitely gonna cook some more. So we want to make sure that the cheese melts properly on top, so just keep an eye on your chicken while it's in the oven. Okay guys, once your chicken is in the oven, y'all please go follow your girl on the TikTok. It's Jamaican Cuisine, same like YouTube. I'm over there most of the time. I try to post every day, so make sure to wanna go follow me. Support your girl. Yeah, Jamaican Cuisine. Thank you. Anyways guys, it's about that time. So this is how we're looking after 5 minutes in the oven. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen right now. It's smelling so good. You guys, use a baking sheet on your pan. Don't be like me. Anyways, I will be serving mine up with some spaghetti and some of my tomato sauce that we made earlier. You guys just please take a minute and just devour this beauty right here. I wish you could taste it through the phone. I had so much fun making this video for you guys, and I hope yours came out as good. And as usual, you guys, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below as to what you'd like to see me make next. I go through all my comments and I try to respond to everyone, because I really do appreciate all the love. Road to 1K subscribers right now. Anyways guys, remember to like, share, tell a friend, yeah. And if you're not yet subscribed, why you wait for? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Walk good and stay safe.